Integrated goat and chicken farming is a sustainable and innovative agricultural practice that involves the simultaneous rearing of goats and chickens within the same farming system. This integrated approach capitalizes on the synergies between these two livestock species, creating a mutually beneficial environment that enhances overall farm productivity. Both goats and chickens offer unique advantages when combined, leading to improved resource utilization, increased income generation, and enhanced ecological sustainability. Goat and chicken farming. Resource utilization. Goats and chickens have different dietary needs, with goats being browsers and chickens